Hello friends, in this video, I'm going to explain the concept of pointer and how pointer variable stores the address of another integer variable. So let's see with a program how this program is written. So here I'm writing a program. Has include stdio.h. Has include stands for preprocessor directive and stdio.h stands for standard input output header file. This header file contains the printf and scanf functions so that we can use it inside the program. Next, void main opening curly bracket int a is equal to 10 comma asterisk p semicolon. So here I have declared two variables. One is integer type variable and I have assigned a value 10 to the variable a, and another variable you can see asterisk followed by a name. So this is the pointer variable. This is the pointer variable. So what do you mean by pointer variable? So pointer variable is a variable that stores the address of another variable. It means this is the pointer variable and this stores here the value of a is 10. So the address of a is, for example, the address of a is 1000 and this address is kept by the pointer variable. So it means this pointer variable stores the address of the variable a. So how can it store the address of variable a? For that I have to write p is equal to address of a semicolon. It means address of a will be stored in p. Okay, so let's check by writing printf function whether the address of a is shown inside p. So in the printf function, first of all, I want to display the value of a. A is equal to %d, comma, a, bracket and semicolon. And in the second printf function, /n, I'm writing address of a is equal to %u, double quotation end, p, bracket and semicolon. The function closes here, main function closes here. This will display in the output screen a is equal to 10 and in address of a, this will be something else and this value will not be assigned by the user or the programmer. This will be given by the system. The system will assign the address of a. And what will be the address of a? Let's see by writing a program in my dev C++ editor. Okay, so here I'm writing a program as include stdio.h. Next, void main opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket, int a is equal to 10, comma, asterisk p, semicolon, then p is equal to address of a, semicolon. Now, printf, within double quotation, first, the value of a is equal to percentile D, comma, A, semicolon, printf within double quotations /n address of A is equal to percentile U, comma, E, semicolon. Now the program is complete, and you can see what will be the output after execution. So when I will execute it, it will ask me to save the program. So I am saving in the name of pointer1, and the source file will be C source files. So I'm saving it. Now this will be compiled, and you can see the value of A equal to 10 and the address of A equal to 6487572. This address is assigned by the system itself. The user cannot assign the address to a variable. The user can declare a variable and can store it in the memory. When the variable will be declared or will be stored in the memory, automatically an address will be assigned to that variable, and that address is assigned by the system itself. Okay, so here you can see A equal to 6487572. This is the value and this is the address. Okay, so system says, you give me the value, I will say the address of that variable. You give me a variable, I will say the address of that variable. Okay, so in this way we can use the pointer variables. There are lots of concepts I will discuss in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.